In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to upgrade your Zoho Books plan in just a few simple steps. Whether your business is expanding or you're looking to unlock more features, upgrading ensures you get the tools you need to manage your finances efficiently. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account using the correct credentials. Once you're on your dashboard, go to the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a gear. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Subscription. You'll now enter the Subscription Management section. Here, click on Change Plan. This will take you to the Zoho store where all available plans are listed. You'll see options like Standard, Professional, Premium, Elite and Ultimate, each with its own set of powerful features. Take a moment to review what each plan includes, whether you want advanced automation, more users, or detailed financial reports. There's a plan that fits your business perfectly. Once you've found your ideal plan, click Upgrade under that plan. Follow the on-screen steps to complete your payment and confirm your selection. Zoho Books will instantly update your account, giving you immediate access to the new features. And that's it. Your Zoho Books plan is successfully upgraded. You're now ready to enjoy enhanced tools and smoother accounting workflows for your growing business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Zoho Books tutorials and tips.